The daily grind versus divine abundance. Let's talk money. Not Wall Street money, but money. The money you work hard for every single day. Are you living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt? You're stuck in man's economy. But there's a better way, God's economy. It's about trusting God, not just your paycheck to provide. It's about true financial peace.
Meet me. I've got a good job, a nice car, but I'm stressed out. I've got credit card debt, a big mortgage, and my kids want expensive things. I work long hours chasing promotions and bigger paychecks, but it's never enough. I'm trapped in a cycle of overwork and debt. I worry about bills, my job security, and the future. Sound familiar?
Now meet GE. I don't have a fancy car or a huge house, but I've got something better: peace of mind. I trust God with my finances. I give generously, save diligently, and live debt-free. I work hard, but I don't let my job run my life. I have time for my family, my faith, and my passions. I live a life of contentment and generosity.
Two paths, two destinies, man's effort versus God's grace. Me relies on his own strength, his job, and the hope of winning the lottery. But the Bible tells us the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. Me's path leads to burnout, broken relationships, and financial instability. GE, on the other hand, puts his trust in God. He understands that true wealth isn't measured in dollars, but in his relationship with God and others. He follows biblical principles. Give, and it will be given to you. The blessing of the Lord makes one rich, and he adds no sorrow with it. Embracing the overflow, your journey to financial peace. You don't have to stay stuck in me's world. You can choose God's way. Start by putting your trust in him. Seek his guidance with your finances. Give generously, get out of debt, and live below your means. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. When you align your life with God's principles, you open the door to true financial freedom and lasting peace. Take the first step today.